What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and in this video we are going to have a quick review of Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite. So we will talk about its design, features, performance, all of its pros and cons and about the discount offers as well. So here we go. So inside the retail box of Redmi Watch 2 Lite you will find the smartwatch with the strap attached to the body, a charging cable and a user manual. Now talking about the design and build quality, it is pretty much same like the previous generation of Redmi Watch Lite. It comes with a square-shaped 1.55-inch curved display that looks beautiful and gives a premium vibe as well. The matte finish body with just one single physical button is minimalistic and also looks quite nice. There is no microphone, no speakers. At the bottom you will find a set of sensors and the strap is detachable so you can easily swap it with different watch straps if you want. The device comes with 5 ATM water resistance so you can wear it while swimming, taking shower and you won't have to worry about any damage to the device. With the strap it weighs just 35 grams and it is comfortable enough to use 24/7. Talking about the battery life, this is something I really loved about Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite. It comes with 262 mAh battery and even with my heavy usage, the battery survived for 9 days. The only drawback is that it comes with a magnetic charging cable with pogo pins and if you lose it or it gets damaged then you will have to buy a new one just to charge your Redmi Watch 2 Lite. One of the highlighted features of Redmi Watch 2 Lite is that it comes with a multi-system standalone GPS that you won't find on many smartwatches in this price segment. It works quite nicely and contributes in overall correct tracking of your physical outdoor activities. The user interface is very easy to use. It provides lots of cards that you can use to quickly have access to the important information, notifications, settings, etc. It comes with few watch faces pre-installed. You can download new watch faces and you can even use your own pictures as Redmi Watch 2 Lite wallpapers as well. It comes with more than 100 fitness modes, so we got 17 professional modes and multiple extended workout modes, but many of those extended workouts can be grouped together. For example, if I'm going to gym, I'm not going to track my dumbbell, barbell, weightlifting, deadlift, etc. as different exercises. Instead of that, all of these should be grouped together as a strength training or weightlifting. But still Xiaomi is providing lots of options and depending on your physical activities, you can use them. The 1.55-inch display is bright and beautiful. It is sharp, provides nice visual experience. The touch commands work perfectly, but I would prefer if the screen refresh rate was a bit better. Talking about the health and fitness related features, it comes with 24-hour continuous heart rate monitoring. It comes with SpO2 monitoring for blood oxygen saturation level, but the continuous tracking is available only while you are sleeping. Then you got the stress monitoring, sleep tracking, and if you're feeling stressed then you can use the breathing exercises to calm yourself. It also comes with women's cycle information, and in the Xiaomi smartphone app you will find detailed information of all of these health parameters in detail to analyze your physical condition. You can also use the Redmi Watch 2 Lite to control the music being played on your smartphone. You can also use it as a shutter remote for taking pictures from your smartphone. And then we got usual productivity apps like alarm, stopwatch, timer, find phone, flashlight, and you can do various customization via the settings menu. The Xiaomi Wear smartphone app is quite feature rich and provides lots of options to customize various aspects of Redmi Watch 2 Lite. It provides detailed information of your physical activities, workouts, health and fitness related data. Now let's talk about the issue that I have faced with Redmi Watch 2 Lite, and it's the software. It is full of bugs and most of the time it will ruin your experience with the device. Throughout the day, many times the sensor will stop working and you will have to adjust the position of the smartwatch on your wrist, and many times you will have to give multiple try by removing the Redmi Watch 2 Lite from your wrist and put it back again. So because of this, it will stop tracking your heart rate, sleep tracking, SpO2 monitoring, and many times you will find that these important and necessary data are missing, and it is extremely extremely annoying when it happens during your workout sessions. The calorie count is also very buggy and wrong. Sometimes the pedometer will record that you have passed like 20,000 steps, but it will still show 0 calories burned. Sometimes during the workout it will show some different amount of calories burned, but once you finish the workout it will show something else. Sometimes the overall calorie count, including the regular physical activities and workout, will be wrong as well. So I really hope that Xiaomi fixes the software related bugs with an update very soon, because Redmi Watch 2 Lite is a very nice smartwatch considering its hardware specs, features, battery life in this price segment. Now talking about the discount offer, the regular price of Redmi Watch 2 Lite in Saudi Arabia is 319 Saudi Riyals, but Xiaomi is offering the pre-Ramadan promotion from 23rd March to 4th April, during which you can get the Redmi Watch 2 Lite at just 249 Saudi Riyals. So this is a great deal for sure, and I have shared the link in the description of this video. So if you're interested, you can click it and buy the device during the promotion and even after that. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.